Hello, friends. Welcome to you all in FinTech's daily updates. Today is June 2026, and we have a several important updates from the world of business, technology, and finance. The major headlines of today is about the Reliance Intelligence, next Reliance Retail Expansion Program, SBI board meeting, the Reliance new IPO strategy, tax filing updates, and PhonePe wallet rule. These all are the major headlines we will discuss today.
Leading today's headlines is about the Reliance and ambitious vision is from the Akash Ambani. He stated that by 2030 AI should be affordable for every Indian household. So that's a bold claim since most AI advanced tools are still costly nowadays and mainly used by the large companies. So if Reliance stated that they can provide the lower the scores and it could create a great opportunity for the students, small businesses, professionals, and even farmers across the country. But that's not only the Reliance story. Reliance also entered into the expansion program that is in the retail sector. Reliance Retail is looking beyond retail and diving deeper into the manufacturing and exports. The company is reportedly excluding sectors like food products, beverages, and electronics. Simply, if we can say that the Reliance doesn't want to sell products anymore, it aims to manufacture them, possibly supply them to global markets, and this could become a major growth driver for the group in the coming years. Now, let's move to the markets. SEBI has announced a new round reforms affecting the buybacks, mutual funds, and alternative investment funds. While these changes might sound technical, the main goal is simple: improve transparency and boost the investors' protection. For retail investors, reforms like these are crucial because they help in building the trust around the financial system and clarify the rules for the fund managers and companies. Now we will move forward in the Reliance ecosystem again. Reliance Jio is moving forward with its future IPO plans, we all know. So, now then, what's new in this? Along with this, the company has emphasized key growth areas like satellite connectivity, artificial intelligence, and next generation 5G services. The message appears clear here. Jio wants investors to view it's not just a telecom operator but as a technology company with large ambitions. So now we have a quick note for the taxpayers. There is a news about the ITR. The ITR 3 Excel utility for the tax year 2026-2027 is now live. This is especially relevant for the professionals, freelancers, and business owners who need to file their income tax returns. The updated utility is expected to make parts of the filing process easier and help taxpayers compile or effectively. Finally, there is a story generating quite a bit of the discussion online, that is the PhonePe. PhonePe has rolled out a new policy for the wallets where inactive accounts may see a 100 rupees deduction. The company says this move aims to encourage active usage and manage the dormant accounts more effectively. However, many users on social media are questioning this step of the PhonePe, whether these fees are justified or not. So, if you are using a PhonePe wallet, and it might be worth checking your account activity and understanding how this policy affects you. Now, we will sum up the today's key developments. Reliance is making big move in affordable AI and manufacturing. SEBI is advocating for greater market transparency. Reliance Jio is positioning itself as a future tech leader. Tax filing tools are now being updated, and the PhonePe new wallet rule is sparkling debate among the users. Now, here's question for you today. If AI truly becomes affordable and widely accessible by 2030, how would you use it? Would it benefit for you, and in what way? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily business and financial briefings. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another edition of the Fine Tales Daily. Thank you. Bye bye.